Javdeep Singh. Okay.
Today we will know how day and night occurs in the earth. But before we know it, we need to know what is rotation and revolution. What is rotation? Rotation refers to an object spinning motion about its own axis. And what is revolution? Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. But before we know it, I have a question for you. We often wonder how night falls in other countries, while in our country the day is the same.
Yes, that is the confusion.
That's all we understand in this model. Now see this model. Half side of this model is day and half side of model is night. And suppose this is A side and this is B side. In A side is day and in B side is night.
Yes.
Because sun is beating its rays. So because sun is beating its rays, so it is a day in one part and night in the other. So as earth rotates from air leaves into the air by the process of transpiration. When water vapor comes in contact with the air, it condenses, and from tiny drops of water, these drops of water come together to form a
You
cloud.
mean to say that when we have rainfall, we have rainfall because of this water cycle? I see. So if we do not have this kind of water evaporation, we cannot have rainfall? If water evaporation is not there, we cannot have rainfall, na? So water evaporation is a necessity? Where?
It is called condensation. When the clouds start settling.
Alright. Very nice. So water cycle, this is the water cycle, and water cycle is very important. Good. So we should, water otherwise that we have in the taps, that is, yes, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. My name is Khushbu Kaur from
Khushbu?
Khushnoor Kaur.
Khushnoor, you're in which class, beta?
Fourth B.
Fourth.
My topic is air pollution.
Right.
Now I will speak few lines on it. When harmful chemicals mix with air after burning various substances, it is called air pollution. It causes harmful diseases like asthma, lung cancer, headache, etc. Acid rain caused due to air pollution. Smoke comes from vehicles and industries. It is also called air pollution. It harms.
So these vehicles also cause air pollution. Very good.
It harms birds and animals.
So means, if suppose in one home there are 5 members living, okay, should we have 5 vehicles also at home? If we have number of vehicles at home, it is harmful, na?
Yes.
Okay, if 5 vehicles are moving.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Untitled Chapter 7 is going to represent a model on our excretory system. So firstly, I want to define the excretion. Excretion is the removal of all toxic and metabolic waste products from our body. So it is very necessary to the removal of waste products from our body. As like we will protect our environment same as our body, because there are so many beautiful sights on our earth, and it is very necessary that we can't throw anything anywhere, because we have to protect our body same as we clean our body, same as we have to protect our environment.
We are talking about excretory system.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are the different organs which are there in excretory
Sir,
system?
there are kidney, ureters, urethra, and urine. Ureter. It can run up from the inside of the kidney from to the urinary bladder to.
My model is on digestive system. Digestive system is very important part in our body. So the parts of our digestive system is mouth, food pipe, liver, gallbladder, and other food for intestine and digestion.
So you have made this model on digestive system. What is the purpose of this? I said, what is the purpose of this? No, you have made this model. What is the purpose of making this model?
To digest.
To understand digestive system, okay, and to understand those food objects or those food items which are good for our digestion, okay, and to understand those food items which are bad for our digestion, okay. So what are the food items which are harmful for our digestive system?
Some food and cocoa.
Good afternoon, sir. So my name is Jasmine Kaur and I am from 8B Static. So
circuit. So we have seen that whenever we switch on the bulb, when we switch on the switch, the bulb glows, or we just switch on the bulb to make any electric appliance work whenever we want to, right? So now we're going to discuss why we need a switch to make the electric bulb or make any other appliance work. So basically we have seen that I have taken here dry cells. So dry cells, and they have two terminals, one of the negative and one of them is positive. So I have taken plastic wires and I have removed the plastic. I've removed the plastic coverings at the end of them. And one of the wire is connected to the negative terminal, and other wire is connected to the base of the bulb at its positive terminal. So now we can see that when I on the switch, what happened, that the bulb glows.
Yes. Yes.
Now the bulb glows.
Show this one. Nice.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, sir. My name is Manya. I'm studying in 9th Commerce. Today I'm here to present a small presentation on the model that is the phenomena of day and night on the earth. As we all know, we can see some changes on our earth. Like in the daytime we can see moon, but in the night time we cannot. But in the night time we see all the stars and moon.
In the daytime we can't.
No.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So we should know about the reason behind this. So the reason behind this is that we all know that the earth have two motions, rotation and revolution. In revolution, the earth revolves around the sun, and in rotation, the earth rotates on its own axis. And in the revolution, we can...
You're showing some axis also here?
Yes, sir, I will. And in the revolution, there are some changes in this revolution. There are things in day and night. So, as we are going to know about the phenomena of day and night, so as you can see that the earth is revolving on its own axis.
These baby steps which we can take to reduce air pollution. Air
What are those
pollution is
baby
a
steps?
global crisis. And the major topic for this 21st century. Harmful concentrations of gases and pollutants in our environment negatively affect the health of humans, plants and animals. It also causes temperature to rise, intensifying climate change. But still, there are some ways which I can explain through this air pollution prevention model. These ways: save forests. The quality of air should be improved by planting more and more trees as they clean and filter the air. Do cycling.
So, yes.
Bicycle also helps to reduce air pollution. The major benefit of do cycling is that it does not require any fuel, it does not require any motor oil or batteries to operate. So it is a
So
very...
there is no emission also.
Yes, no emission of harmful gases like carbon dioxide. Use solar energy.
Preet Singh, son of Sardar Sarabjit Singh from Delhi science.
You are in 10th standard.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
I had drawn up a model, and the model which I had drawn up is a plant cell. And basically the purpose of this model is to understand more about the basic unit of a plant, which is a plant cell. And a plant cell, as we discussed earlier, that plant cell is a basic unit. And without plant cell, plants cannot survive. And there are millions of plant cells in one plant. And today I'm going to discuss it and like to present it out. So this is a cell wall which helps plants to not interpret by another mediums from environment. And this is a cell membrane which helps the plant in production and give its strength to the plant.
Okay.
This is a ribosome which is made up of RNA and proteins.
फूलों से खुशबू क्यों आती है, क्यों तितली फूलों पर मंडराती है, क्यों मौसम बदलता है, क्यों
क्यों आसमान में जगमग करता है, क्यों इंद्रधनुष रंग बिरंगी तारे,
When we talk of science, we talk of creativity, innovation, and exploration. Scientific aptitude is essential to have logical and rational approach towards life. It is science that doesn't let us deviate towards baseless rituals and superstitions. Science is the in-depth study of the basic unit of human and plant life. When we have inclination towards science, we look for scientific solution to all our day-to-day problems. This model making event that was conducted at the school on 1st February 2022 developed not only competitive spirit in the children, but it also inculcated in them I can do spirit. The students who participated in this competition studied different scientific principles and used them to create a model that gave them the much needed experiential learning. Without hands on learning, thrill that is associated with science can't be experienced. All the participants experienced this thrill. We, the teachers of the school, can certainly see the scientists of tomorrow in all these students. We will surely cultivate the zest for science with several more activities in all these and other students.